Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore the English speaking skills of our friend Selen Sahra, who has been learning English for 4 months. She's a dental assistant, and right across from her is Maura, a professional English teacher from the US. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I am good. Thank you. How are you too?
Here we go. Let's make a quick correction. We don't say, how are you too? A better way is, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. So you're Yasin's friend or
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So my name is Mara, and you?
My name is Selen Sahra.
Oh, I've never heard that name before. Can you type it so I can pronounce it correctly?
Sorry?
Can you type the name so I can pronounce I can say
Selen
Senlan
Sahra. Sahra.
Selen Sahra.
Yes,
What kind of name? Is this a Turkish name?
Turkish name.
Wow. Selen Sahra. Like
Yes.
Selin and Sarah.
Yes.
Ah.
Sahra, little Arabic.
Yeah, it is. Like Sara. And in Spain, also the name Sara
Third.
is. Or Zahra. Zahra.
Sahra. S.
Sahra.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Well, that's a really nice name. So you're Turkish also,
Thank
yes?
you.
You're welcome. You're from Turkey?
Yes, Turkey. Live in Antalya.
Really?
Yes.
So what? You know why I'm laughing, right?
Do you know Antalya?
Yes, actually, Yasin did a video with me, and he put it on YouTube, and I was talking about my Turkish ex from Antalya. Yeah, but it's a beautiful place, right?
Place?
Antalya is a beautiful place, a beautiful site.
Very, very, very beautiful. Sea, weather,
Yeah.
sunny.
Oh, wow. So you live now also in Antalya all your life.
Yes.
So what do you do for work?
I am a dentist assistant.
Nice try. But we usually say dental assistant, not dentist assistant.
Wow.
Now, workplace.
Oh, you are in your workplace.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. It's a beautiful office. Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's amazing. Good. Do you enjoy your work? You like your job?
Thank you. I like my job.
Yeah, that's great. That's important, right? It's important to like your job.
Yes.
What do you like to do, like on the weekend or other times?
Weekend?
Weekend. Mm-hmm.
Yes. I know.
Yeah. What do you like? Do you go out with friends? Do you dinner?
Usually, weekend watching movie watch.
Okay, we watch movies.
We watch movies. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I'm traveling. Traveling.
Okay. You like to travel sometimes.
Yes. Natural sea, months.
Mountains.
Months. Yes.
Yeah, because
There
told me
are in Antalya natural.
a lot of nature or
Sure.
a lot of nature. Yeah, I heard that from Yeet. Yes, he told me that in Antalya you have like mountains near the sea and reminds me a lot of Andalusia. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you ever visited Spain?
Visited patients.
Have you ever visited España?
No, maybe after.
Yeah. One day in the future, right? Hmm.
No, maybe after I want.
Yeah, you could say like maybe one day.
Maybe
One
one
day.
day. Yes, maybe one day. But very I want. True.
Yeah, I really want to. When did you start learning English? When
Yes.
when did you start learning English?
Oh, me.
Like how old were you?
I have been trying to learn English for months.
Almost there. But we say, I have been trying to learn English for 4 months. Don't forget the word for.
Oh, wow, okay. You're doing
Yes,
a good job.
for 5 months. Yes.
Okay. Any reason? Any special reason?
Any okay, Hitch.
Any like special reason? Why do you want to learn English? Like why?
Hmm.
The reason. Mhm.
Because I want abroad.
Okay. You want to go.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand. Where?
Um, First, Bali, Indonesia.
Wow. Okay, for holidays,
Yeah.
vacation, beach, relax, Instagram.
Oh yes. Second, Rio.
De
Yeah,
Janeiro.
Cuba.
Wow. Yeah. I went to Colombia last year.
Mm, have you been in Colombia?
Yes.
Bravo, Selen! That was a great question. We're ending the video here. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you later, friends.